let me go outside. Let me keep going outside because we can't go outside. So let me get outside my box and order a different color. And am I happy? Hey guys, I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Welcome back to my channel, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey boy, hey girl, how you doing? How you feeling? Alright guys, so today I am reviewing this Kourtney from this Color Bomb collection. This is the blonde collection, and yes, I just reviewed Kourtney. That was the curlier one. This is the straighter one. And in that review, I told you guys, I kind of wish I would have got a different kind of blonde. But, ooh, if y'all ready to see this greatness and talk about it, I'm going to talk to y'all in the outro. Okay guys, so I am back in this, all this greatness right here. So this basically is the straighter one from this whole series. This is the Outre Color Bomb collection. This is in the style Kourtney, and Kourtney is slaying. I have this color right here on the stock card, that cream blonde. I was like, you know what? Let me go outside. Let me keep going outside because we can't go outside. So let me get outside my box and order a different color. And am I happy? Yes, I am. So in that other one, I did the amber, and this is a cream blonde. So I am so excited with this collection. As you see this grin on my face, I am happy with this collection. This basically is the same construction as Kourtney. You have your two combs in the front, one in the back. You have your little part right here. The only difference is this is a right part. So all my girls that like that, this one is a right part. The other one was a left part. This cap feels pretty good. I don't even know what to tell y'all. Like, just go buy her. Put her in your cart. We done. End the review. End the review. Okay, guys. Yeah, so this is the straighter one. Same thing. I'm not sure if you saw Kourtney, so let me go ahead and give you a detailed review. So basically, Outre's always had these color bombs. They had these nice reds, these beautiful colors. I reviewed, I think it was Sadea in that beautiful red. I'll leave it right here, and it was straight. But this one right here, this is like the blonde collection. You do have a 1 and a 1B in this collection, but basically in this collection, all you're getting is your blondes. So if you're not feeling that, this is not for you, okay? I am feeling the fact that they're giving us different shades of blondes, okay? We've been looking and we've been asking, and we got these different shades. So the one that I have is this cream blonde. I like this dark root at the top. This is the number 4 right here, and then it goes into this nice cream blonde. So I'm not sure if you guys are seeing that, but it has a lot of nice dimensions in this. Kind of white with a 613 mixed with like your amber mixed with your 4, and it transitions well into this color. I didn't do anything special with this unit. I like it. It's a great slay. It's a great plop and go for all my lazy girls out there like me. I am lazy. As much as I would lay down a lace for you, I am all for put it on your head and get out the house. So this one just has that angle part right here. I did kind of curve it a little bit more. And then I did go in with a little bit of powder. She does have some baby hairs. If you do want to lay down some baby hairs, you can. I didn't. I just used my hot comb and kind of pulled it back. I use my hot comb also in the top only because of like packaging and kind of looking a little off when it comes. So I just wanted to look nice and flat for you guys. You can lay down the sides if you want. I didn't glue any sides down. I feel like if you're gonna put a unit on that's like boom, we ready to get out the house, that's what I want to do. I don't want to do all that. So you can lay the side down and maybe lay it a little bit more and then put some baby hairs here, but like I said, I'm not that type of chick. If you're looking for that type of chick, this ain't the channel. This is the channel where if it's a lace part, I'm putting a lace part on and boom, I'm ready, okay? All right, so other than that, she feels really good, guys. Like, she feels just like that other one that I reviewed in this collection, and my fingers are running really comfortably through her. She is a synthetic unit, but she does feel like hair. It's not feeling plasticky to me. Like some of these units that are synthetic and straight, when it's plasticky, you start brushing her, you're getting snags and all that. This one ain't doing that. It's just like, woo, run your fingers through me, baby. She's feeling good. I didn't need to use any BioSilk. I didn't need to use any wig spray. She is doing me justice, y'all. I like her. I am impressed with this line. Outre already had a special place in my heart, but this right here, just doing it. It's just doing it. You know what I'm saying? As far as shedding goes, I am getting some shedding. I feel like that kind of happens a little bit more with your lighter units. This is blonde. But after you brush her out, I feel like she should be okay with the shedding. But she was shedding quite a bit on me. I wasn't too sure if that was happening because of the way I cut the lace or whatnot, but she was shedding. But after I brushed her out, she was fine. I'm not really getting too many snags, and she's just a beauty. So I didn't show you guys what she looked like. So excited. I'm so excited. So this is what she's looking like in the front and in the back. Right, so she's looking really, she's really good. She's really good. As far as the hairline, putting her up, I didn't glue this unit down, but she does have that dark root throughout. So, I mean, I guess if you kind of lay it down, you could put her up. But I already told y'all how I feel about that. I got a lace part. I ain't doing all that. Anyway, this unit is bomb. If you're looking for a nice blonde and you can't find one, this collection right here, I feel like was made for us girls looking for that perfect blonde, and I am happy I got her. I don't even think I'm gonna sell this one because this is a slay. This is a slay all day. Okay? All right, y'all. Let me know how you're feeling about this unit. If I forgot to say anything, I'm sorry. I'm so excited. So y'all talk to me in the comments. If I forgot to say anything, ask me. I don't mind answering. And until next time, beauties, I will talk to you later. Bye.